Family owned and operated Bluegrass Restoration and Construction is a full-service construction company offering full-service home maintenance with 24/7 emergency services. All services performed in-house with no subcontractors. Give them a call at 859-353-1133.
All right, thanks again for checking in to your Madison HVAC Weather Center. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson. And looking at our webcam on I-75 north of Richmond here on Friday, of course, some icing taking place. Thankfully, not quite as much icing around the region versus what we had thought. Again, things didn't really come together for that major icing event, but there were still some decent icing amounts and reports across the region, but also a little bit of sleet mixing in with that. So as we head into the overnight hours, we're actually going to see clouds in place. The skies will eventually clear overnight, and then talking about some very cold temperatures on your Saturday morning. Sunshine will be with us Saturday afternoon as the skies continue to clear, and then a dry stretch of weather ahead all the way through most of next week. I don't see really any major systems moving through anytime soon, so that'll be good news here. All right, so as we head through the evening hours, any leftover precipitation in the form of some light snow will continue to drift off to the east. Again, maybe a couple of flakes and flurries here, but early Saturday morning, the clouds do fill back in, and then Saturday afternoon, we'll finally see some sunshine. It might take a little while, but be patient. Again, some sunshine is expected late, and then a better chance of sunshine on Sunday. So here's your forecast overnight tonight. Again, cloudier skies, maybe a little bit of clearing at times, but waking up into the mid-teens by Saturday morning. A few locations around the greater Richmond area could be into the lower teens. When you factor in the wind, again, it will feel more like the single digits. So be prepared for a very cold start to your Saturday. Again, anything that is frozen out there now will continue to stay frozen here heading into Saturday. Again, temperatures will stay sub-freezing, as you notice there at 29 in the greater Richmond area. Now, the extended forecast heading into next week, again, does keep us into the cooler range, but mid-40s on Sunday, dropping down to 38 on Tuesday, and maybe a little bit of snow late next week.